Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about PureFlow Pro Nasal Strips. Okay, so you should buy this product or not, and what are the major problems of this product. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information. So you can see this is the product you can see. Basically this is a nasal strip, and which is provided you lots of benefits, like it will increase your, you can say, like airflow in your, you can say, like breath flow in your nose, and it will open your block nosage. Okay, you can say like block area of your nose, it will open. So is this legit or it's a scam? Yes, this is a 100% legit brand, and this brand is approx, like you can say, 5 to 6 months from now. You can say the brand is new, but the product is easily available on, you can select their website. And if we talk about like these kind of product really give you results, but if we talk about like the product costing is a little bit, you can say like $699, that is approx like $10 something. And if we talk about like you should buy or not, yes, you can make a purchase. This is a 100% legit brand. But if you don't want to take any kind of chances for, you can say, like any kind of, you can say, return and refund related problems, then you can also visit on amazon.com. you will see, when you type like pro nasal strips, you will get lots of product available in the market with different names, and the costing of the product is like depends on your budget also, like only $10, $3, $5. You can see there are lots of product available in the market with the, you can select same kind of category. Okay, you can also choose this kind of product, it depends on your choice. But if we talk about like this product is 100% legit and good product. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.